a weird one, this. It's a weird one. Totally weird, everything's pretty damn weird. Here we go on the show. Trumpet and he's cleaning properly. He's sorting out. Come on, somebody, sort me out. Oh well, never mind. I tried. Yeah, it's a fail. I've got a problem with the instrument. It's not my problem. A bad workman always blames his tools, of course, but I'm no tool. You know, I know what I'm on about. My own sweet way, you know. Yeah. Jazz and all that jazz, you know. So, what have we got now? What have we got? When do we want it? You know, when do we want it? You know, what have we got it? You know, when are we going to have life? When are we going to have a chance? You know, when are we going to have lockdown? We've been in Brexit. Yeah, now it's Lockzit. Brexit to Lockzit. I said it first. Thank you very much. Lockzit. Z-I-T. Yeah, lock down the government. Yeah, lock down the government. Oh yeah, lock down the government. Oh yeah, you know what they mean. Oh yeah, they're a meat machine. Oh yeah, they're trying to fuck with our life. Oh yeah, they want to mess with the world. Oh yeah, they want a new world order. Yo ho, all around the world, twirling around in the sky up above. Sky Nazis, they're no doves. They're no doves. They ain't no fucking doves. Oh no, the Sky Nazis, that's what they do. Yeah, bringing in totalitarian rules. Totalitarian rules at a cinema near you from Sunday. Get on down. Down, 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 down. Yeah, the ones all put down.